Hi friends, welcome back to our channel PSC Confidence Booster. Today we see the third part of the previous year question paper Electrician State Water Transport held on 2016. Then let me go through the questions. Question number 51. In a transformer, the leakage flux may be minimized by option A. Minimizing the number of turns of both the winding. Option B. Sectionalizing and interleaving the primary and secondary winding. Option C. Keeping the magnetizing current to the minimum. Option D. Reducing the reluctance of the iron core to the minimum. Answer is option B. Sectionalizing and interleaving the primary and secondary winding. Question number 52. Which one of the following connections is preferred for 3 to 2 phase conversion? Option A. Scott. Option B. Double Scott. Option C. Star star. Option D. Star double delta. Answer is option A. Scott. Question number 53. The phase relationship between primary and secondary terminal voltage of a transformer is. Option A. Primary voltage is leading the secondary voltage by 90 degree. Option B. Secondary voltage is leading the primary voltage by 90 degree. Option C. 180 degree out of phase. Option D. In the same phase. Answer is option C. 180 degree out of phase. Question number 54. The no load primary current I0 in an ideal transformer is. Option A. In phase with I. Option A. In phase with V1. Option B. Leads V1 by 90 degree. Option C. Lags behind V1 by 90 degree. Option D. Lags V1 by an angle lying between 0 degree and 90 degree. Answer is option C. Lags behind V1 by 90 degree. Question number 55. An octocoupler is a single package of. Option A. LED and a signal diode. Option B. LED and a photodiode. Option C. 2 photodiodes. Option D. 2 LEDs. Answer is option B. LED and a photodiode. Question number 56. One of the diode of a bridge rectifier connected to 100 volt 50 Hz AC input is found to be damaged. The DC output of the circuit is 90 volt. The minimum value of PIV of the diode required for replacement is. Option A 45 volt. Option B 50 volt. Option C 100 volt. Option D 150 volt. Answer is option C 100 volt. Question number 57. You are working with a fully automatic star delta starter. You notice that when the start switch is pressed, the motor starts in a star but does not change to delta. The trouble will be in. Option A. Delta contactor. Option B. Timer and its circuit. Option C. Star contactor. Option D. Line contactor. Answer is option B. Timer and its circuit. Question number 58. Whatever meter is classified as a. Option A. deflecting instrument. Option B, indicating instrument. Option C, recording instrument. Option D, integrating instrument. Answer is option B, integrating instrument. Question number 59. 2-pin sockets should not be used in domestic wiring unless the appliance to be connected is option A, double earth. Option B, double insulated. Option C, controlled by ELCB. Option D, controlled by MCB. Answer is option B, double insulated. Question number 60. As load on induction motor increases its power factor. Option A, remain constant. Option B, goes on decreasing. Option C, goes on increasing over after full load. Option D, goes on increasing up to full load and then it falls again. Answer is option D, goes on increasing up to full load and then it falls again. Question number 61. During no load test of a 3-phase induction motor, the motor draws power. Option A, for core loss and copper loss. Option B, for copper loss and windage friction loss. Option C, for core loss and windage friction loss. Option D, only for very small copper loss. Answer is option C, for core loss and windage friction loss. Question number 62. The recent method of smooth speed control of a 3-phase induction motor over a wide range is option A, frequency control method. Option B, rotor resistance control method. Option C, voltage control method. Option D, none of the above methods. Answer is option A, frequency control method. Question number 63. Rotor bars of squirrel cage rotor are sometimes skewed. Option A, to prevent rotor from aligning and locking up with stator. Option B, to give more uniform torque. Option C, to reduce humming noise. Option D, due to all above reasons. Answer is option D, due to all above reasons. Question number 64. For 66 kV lines, the number of insulator disc used is option A, 3. Option B, 6. Option C, 10. Option D, 12. Answer is option B, 6. Question number 65. AC resistance of a line conductor is more than its DC resistance because of option A, skin effect. Option B, proximity effect. Option C, skin effect and proximity effect. Option D, none of these. Answer is option C, skin effect and proximity effect. Question number 66. What type of insulator will be used if the direction of the transmission line is changed? Option A, strain type. Option B, shackle type. Option C, pin type. Option D, suspension type. Answer is option A, strain type. Question number 67. The back EMF setup in the armature of a synchronous motor depends on option A, rotor speed only. Option B, rotor excitation only. Option C, rotor excitation and rotor speed. Option D, coupling angle, rotor speed and excitation. Answer is option B, rotor excitation only. Question number 68. The current drawn by an over-excited synchronous motor will be. Option A, depending on the nature of load. Option B, at lagging power factor. Option C, at leading power factor. Option D, at unity power factor. Answer is option C, at leading power factor. Question number 69. Two alternators are sharing an inductive load equally. What will be happened if the excitation of one alternator is increased? Option A, another alternator will deliver more current. Option B, another alternator will deliver less current. Option C, both will continue to share load equally. Option D, both will deliver more current. Answer is option B, another alternator will deliver less current. Question number 70. A ceiling fan rotates slowly in either direction. The probable fault is. Option A, an open-in centrifugal switch. Option B, an open-in capacitor. Option C, short in the capacitor. Option D, blown fuse. Answer is option B, an open-in capacitor. Question number 71. In repulsion motor, maximum torque is developed when. Option A, brush axis is at 180 degree electrical to the field axis. Option B, brush axis is at 90 degree electrical to the field axis. Option C, brush axis is at 45 degree electrical to the field axis. Option D, brush axis coincides with the field axis. Answer is option C, brush axis is at 45 degree electrical to the field axis. Question number 72. Starting winding of a single phase motor of a refrigerator is disconnected from the circuit by means of a. Option A, centrifugal switch. Option B, magnetic relay. Option C, thermal relay. Option D, none of the above. Answer is option B, magnetic relay. Question number 73. How the speed control of universal motor used for sewing machine is done. Option A, introducing friction mechanism. Option B, tapping the field at various points. Option C, centrifugal mechanism. Option D, introducing a variable resistance in series with the motor. Answer is option D, introducing a variable resistance in series with the motor. Question number 74. Buchholz relay is operated by. Option A, gas pressure. Option B, eddy current. Option C, electrostatic induction. Option D, electromagnetic induction. Answer is option A, gas pressure. Question number 75. The size of earth wire is determined by. Option A, the atmospheric condition. Option B, the voltage of the service wires. Option C, the current capacity of the service wires. Option D, none of these. Answer is option C, the current capacity of the service wires. Question number 76. Earthing in consumer premises in. Question number 76. Earthing in consumer premises is necessary to give protection against. Option A, overloading. Option B, danger of electric shock. Option C, voltage fluctuation. Option D, high temperature of the conductors. Answer is option B, danger of electric shock. Question number 77. A single phase protection switch is used to protect. Option A, the distribution transformer. Option B, the motor in case of fuse failure. Option C, the motor from the damage due to single phasing. Option D, from the maximum starting current of motor. Answer is option C, the motor from the damage due to single phasing. Question number 78. The best location of the power factor improving device to be installed in the transmission line is at. Option A, receiving end. Option B, the sending end. Option C, middle of the line. Option D, any place. Answer is option A, the receiving end. Question number 79. Dash motor has series characteristics. Option A, capacitor start motor. Option B, shaded pole motor. Option C, repulsion motor. Option D, none of the above. Answer is option C, repulsion motor. Question number 80. How the light output is produced in electric discharge lamp. Option A, by heating effect of current. Option B, by magnetic effect of current. Option C, by ionization in a gas or vapor. Option D, by cathode ray emission. Answer is option C, by ionization in a gas or vapor.